What if reality isn't what it appears to be? What if the universe behaves differently when someone is watching? There's a real physics experiment that suggests something impossible, that the act of observation might shape reality itself. Today we explore one of the strangest questions ever asked. Is reality a simulation? Everything we touch appears solid, but physics tells a different story. All matter is made of atoms, and atoms are mostly empty space. If atoms are mostly empty space, if an atom were the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be a marble. The electrons would be tiny specks far away. Everything between them is empty, which means the world around us is mostly space pretending to be solid. Introduce the famous quantum experiment. Particles fired through two slits behave like waves. They go through both slits simultaneously. But when scientists observe which slit the particle uses, the wave pattern disappears. Particles behave differently when observed. This is called the observer effect. Now compare physics with computer simulations. Video games render environments only when the player looks. Quantum mechanics suggests particles behave differently when measured. Reality also has limits of resolution, known as the Planck scale. Some scientists ask, what if reality is information being processed? Not matter, not energy, but data. Physics does not prove simulation theory, but it reveals something deeper. Reality may not be what our senses think it is. Maybe the universe is not just something we observe. Maybe it's something we participate in. If observation shapes reality, what role does human consciousness play? Let's get the thoughts rolling. Leave a comment on, do our observations shape reality, or are we simply observing reality taking place? Until next time, these are my thoughts. Like, share, and subscribe.